Alright, so for today, we're gonna continue the advanced subsidiary level math sequence, making videos on advanced subsidiary level math to help students going through secondary 5 math understand better the material. So this is advanced secondary 5 math. So the topic is coordinates, points, and lines. And last time we talked about distance between points, the subsection, distance between points. And this time we're going to talk about finding the midpoint. So finding the midpoint is all about knowing the location of the 2 points that you're looking for. So we're just gonna erase here. So let's say, for example, you have a graph as such, and for argument's sake, we'll use the same points that we used in the sequence where they talk about distance between 2 points. So the points were basically 4 and 3, and the next point was 10 and 7. So to find the midpoint somewhere here, you will need to draw a triangle that looks like that connects these 2 points. And of course the triangle will be 10 minus 4 is 6, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So you'll have a similar triangle as the one you did when you were looking for the distance between these 2 points. So that the triangle will look like this. The triangle would look like this, to be a right angle triangle with sides 6 and 4. Now you would split that in half. It would be half of this and half of that. So here you would already have that let's call this point D and this point M for midpoint. So, and this point will be A, this one will be B and C. So to see this, you'd say AM, line AM will be half of line AB, and then line BD, this line here, be this line, essentially this point here. This, if this was, well, this we'll call this not BD, AM, and we'll have to call this something like N. So line BN would equal to half of line BC. So we already know that half of AB is 6, so half times 6 is equal to 3. And we already know that BC is 4, so half of 4 is equal to 2. So essentially this line, this distance here is 3, and this distance here is 2. So we just add these two. We're at to 4 plus 3 to get the coordinates of D would be 4 plus 3. So D is equal to 4 plus 3 and basically 3 plus 2, which is equal to 7, 5. And there you have it. We found the midpoint. This is finding the midpoint. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. Sorry for the shorthand. This is midpoint. It's really that simple. When you encounter different types of questions, they will still have relative information given to you. Sometimes you may be given the distance between this point and this point, and then this coordinate will not be given, and you just add the distance up. But this is in a nutshell how you solve for finding the midpoint. Thank you very much.